Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. A quick video on those Santa Maria grills I was building in the last video. I got them all finished up now. This was a 40 by 20. This is one of the regular ones. It's set up with a spring latch there for raising and lowering the rack. This one was a 48 by 28 with the side firebox and the fire bricks. The spring latch just pulls back and you can raise it wherever you want it. The regular style comes with the coal rack and the ash pan inside, or it can have fire bricks in it. If you're looking for a Santa Maria grill or any kind of grill or smoker or anything, I'll have my email in the description box. You can shoot me an email. This one with the brown door is the last one I have here, but I think it's being picked up today. And this was that combo. This is the 20 by 20 vertical smoker with the Santa Maria on the side. This one has the firebox right there. Normally it doesn't have the firebox. It's just the grill. This one also had the V-groove rack with the drip pan in front of it. Again, my email will be in the description box if you're looking for a grill or smoker or anything. And if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.